We will make a before and after video, so this is how everything looks here. This attachment is not afraid of rocks. From this to this in just one path. So when you're going over trees or brushes, you have to press them down with a smooth roller and hold them down so the attachment is able to grind everything in fine pieces. I mean, just look at the overgrowth and vegetation, all the trees, stumps, it's thick, and look at the result. You go over once, you stop the vegetation, and you get relatively clean soil that you can work with afterwards to level and settle everything, prepare for sowing grass seed and seed it. Just going over trees, pushing them down. You have to hold them down with smooth roller so they're not moving around too much. In this case, you can grind them faster and in finer pieces, so it's easier to hide all the vegetation into the soil afterwards. So we're working in a slope, there's a river down there, just going over trees and brushes, and as you can see, he's holding everything down with the smooth roller. So going over trees, so we have big rocks in the soil, it's not an issue for us and for our attachment. We will grind all these trees as well. All these big rocks. It's really satisfying to watch. As a landscaper, you already know what the end result will look like. Just go over everything, grind everything straight into the soil. Going over a big tree. That's everything that is left from the tree afterwards. It's all grinded into the soil. We hold everything down with the smooth roller so we're able to grind it. So it's not moving around or getting stuck in the rotor. This is the end result. I think the job speaks for itself. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. We're starting to deep grind everything. The soil is full with rocks, and as you can see where the tracks were, it's really uneven and bumpy. And look how many rocks there are here in the soil. So we have just the bottom corner left to deep grind. All the rest is deep grinded. This attachment is not afraid of rocks or stones. And you move soil forward. You pull soil backwards when you're back dragging. As it's up the hill, back dragging is quite slow. It looks awesome on this hillside. Remember, in the morning everything was overgrown with tall and thick grass. Really uneven, and this is the end result. Everything is nice and even, settled and compact down. Customer can cut grass easily now. So this is a gravel road, it's bumpy. We use our attachment to fix gravel roads as well. So this is how you repair gravel roads. Just go over everything, grind everything straight into the soil. It's really uneven, and this is the end result. Everything is nice and even, settled and compact down. Customer can cut grass easily now. So this is a gravel road, it's bumpy. We use our attachment to fix gravel roads as well. Simple, easy, perfect result.